Welcome to cheapohippo.com. Today we're going to talk about a hot new product release, which is
the Thermaltake Armor REVO Full Tower PC Case. This is a new item that has recently been introduced in the market from Thermaltake. This item has a black color coating on the inside and outside. This steel case supports both ATX motherboards along with micro ATX motherboard. This item features a top placed I/O panel, two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, one eSATA, and two audio port. There is also a top-placed hard drive docking station. This also supports four 5.25-inch external drive bays, along with six 2.5/3.5 inch internal drive bays, a side panel window, 8 expansion slots, and has 4 fans. There is a one 200mm blue LED fan in the front. There's one 440mm turbofan, and at the rear there's one 200mm blue LED fan at the top and one 200mm fan on the side. The Armor REVO will be available in the market starting of July of 2012 at a price of $275.
For more information on this item and to see if this item is available for purchase, you could click on the link in the description section below and find this item on Amazon and eBay.com. If you like this product, be sure to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, as well as click the like button on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions about this item, you can let us know in the comment section on our website at cheapohippo.com, and we'll be sure to get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching.